What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So we have a little bit of a different video for you guys today. If you are a EV user, not necessarily just a Tesla owner, but any EV out there, there is a new app that really is probably one of the best we've seen recently, and it's called Chargeway, as far as accurately reporting how many miles and how successfully you can make a trip from point A to point B and so forth. And it's pretty accurate. It takes into consideration temperature and all of that for your actual true range and actual range you will get for your distance traveled. I want to show you this really quick. We'll take a deep dive in the app. Very simple. It's a free app. This isn't sponsored at all. It's something truly we like that we've been using on our iPhone. I think you guys might like it too. Let's go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is download the app called Chargeway. Like we said, this is what it looks like. And when you first launch it, you will see a map of all of the relative chargers in the area. And when I say relative, this is very customizable depending on what EV you have. And in our case, obviously this is defaulting to our Cybertruck, but you can go into the filters, only show compatible stations with your vehicle. It's smart enough to know what those are. And you can even select what networks you want to utilize. And there's a ton here. So say for instance, you want to avoid Electrify America, because we know how they are sometimes. You simply can just uncheck that, but you can see a long list of all of the different stations, including, like I said, Rivian and all of that. But more importantly is just all the details you could see here. So you can select how many miles truly you get from a full charge at 100% or whatever charging limit you have it set on. The vehicle info, what kind of plug types it'll take. The battery obviously is stagnant on this one. That one doesn't change. Where it really gets interesting is when you click on this middle tab here called trips. When you go in here, you can actually select your starting point and your destination. You can select if you want it to be round trip or not, and actually the vehicle itself by tapping on it if you have multiple cars. So obviously we have our Cybertruck selected. If we say wanted to use the new long range Model 3, we can click on that. And when you click continue, this will actually give you a further breakdown on a ton of data points. So what is your departing battery percentage? We'll leave it at 100. What temperature is it going to be while you're driving? So as you can see real time, the estimated range at 80 miles an hour with 100% battery in 90-degree temperatures will only give us a true range of 215 miles per hour. Now let's go ahead and say it's going to be 85 out, and you can see the range increase slightly. Every time you tweak this, it will obviously go up or down depending. So hypothetically right now it is 83 out in Florida where we are. We should technically get 224 miles of range on this trip, and we want to arrive with, let's just say 10%. Actually, let's go to 20% just to have a little bit more. So if we hit continue, it will map the trip out. This is the selected route. You'll see, go ahead, and you can see it lets us know on real world data that it'll have enough range to do this trip without charging. You can pull it up and it'll show you exactly what you should arrive in. And let me tell you, every time we've used this, it has been exactly on point. It's pretty crazy, very impressive. So you can see with the Model 3 long range, the new refresh, we should get there. It's 158 miles. We'll get there with just under 30% in 2 hours and 15 minutes with no charging time needed. If we wanted to switch from the Model 3 to the Cybertruck, we'll go ahead and continue this again. And remember, we'll do the exact same thing, 20%, 83 degrees out, 80 miles per hour speed, same route. We'll get there with this, obviously without a charge, with 31% battery. Obviously that makes more sense. We do have a little more range in the Cybertruck than we do at the Model 3 long range. And yeah, this has been amazing, amazing, amazing help. If we want to go ahead and say, let's do a longer distance trip where we need to schedule a charge. Let's just say we're going to Miami, Florida, continue. We know we're going to need a charge. We'll keep it on the Cybertruck here. This will say 230 miles of range estimated, much further down the state. And once it calculates it, you can see it's 5.5 hours with one stop along the way. Not too terrible at all, but we're going to need a charge for 35 minutes and we will get to Miami at about 19% battery. We're also going to make it to Vero Beach where it wants that charging stop for 35 minutes. It does show the amount of available stalls here, and we are going to get there with 11% and we're going to recharge to 80. So yeah, this app has been phenomenal. Again, we are not sponsored by them at all. However, if you guys are watching, reach out to us. We love it. Great, great app. It's been around for a number of years. The iterations that it's had with the improvements have been amazing also. So let us know in the comments down below. Are you picking one up? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.